today's morning assembly, and our topic is sacrifice. Sacrifice means giving up something valuable for the sake of others. It is one of the noblest qualities that shows love, courage, and selflessness.
Sacrifice is the purest form of love. When we truly love someone, we are ready to give up our comfort or happiness to make them happy. Thank you.
Sacrifice is not just giving up material things. It's about giving your time, energy, and even your comfort for the sake of others.
The boy was very hungry. The mother was also hungry, but she smiled and gave the piece of bread to her little son. The boy happily ate the bread and went to sleep. The next morning, the boy said, "Mom, you are the best. You always think of me first."
രാത്രിമഴ ചുമ്മാതെ കേളം തിരിച്ചു വീഴും വീഴും നിർത്താതെ പെറുപെറുത്തും നീണ്ട മുടിത്തലച്ചും കുനിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നൊരു യുവതിയ ഭ്രാന്തിയെ പോലെ.
S for sharing, A for always helping, C for caring, R for respect, F for forgiveness, I for integrity, E for cooperation, E for encouragement.